my heart free. With every gentle breeze, love grew. Two souls dancing, just me and you. Walks by the river, hand in hand. Secret whispers only we can understand. Moonlight glistening on the water's edge. A love so deep, we silently pledged. In the whispers of the wind, our hearts find where to begin. With every note of nature's song, in your arms, that's where I belong. Days turn to nights, seasons change, but our sweet love remained unchanged. Through life's storms and sunny skies, together we'll conquer, never say goodbye. Morning coffee, shared dreams anew, laughing at old stories, just us two. Time may weather, but hearts stay strong. In each other's arms, where we belong. In the whispers of the wind, our hearts find where to begin. With every note of nature's song, in your arms, that's where I belong. In the whispers of the wind, our hearts find where to begin. With every note of nature's song, in your arms, that's where I belong. Underneath the old willow we first met. The sun dipped low, skies of violet. You whispered dreams in the cool evening air. Tangles of hope and love everywhere. Walks by the river, just you and me. Quiet nights, hearts wild and free. Laughter echoed like a song through the trees. Your hand in mine, a gentle breeze. Whispered love stories under the moonlight. Your eyes reflecting stars shine so bright. In every breath, shared dreams take flight. Our souls entangled in the sweet night. Mornings with coffee, soft melodies. Your smile like sunshine, warming the sea. Days spent in fields, hands intertwined. Every moment your love defined. Through storms and trials, we remain true, finding strength in the love we grew. Even when days seemed dark and gray, your love was the light guiding my way. Whispered love stories under the moonlight.
Wow.
Your eyes reflecting stars shining so bright. In every breath, shared dreams take flight. Our souls entangled in the sweet night.